Good afternoon, dear guests and subscribers of my channel. In today's video, I want to share a simple yet powerful way to feed your houseplants and flowers. This method will boost their immunity, stimulate growth and lush flowering, and as a bonus, help you get rid of those annoying little midges that so often appear in potting soil. The secret ingredient? Ground garlic. Garlic is packed with vitamins and minerals, including potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese, making it a surprisingly rich natural fertilizer. It also contains phytoncides, which are natural compounds that fight harmful microorganisms and repel pests. To eliminate midges from your pots, take 1 teaspoon of garlic powder per average size pot, spread it evenly across the surface of the soil, and lightly work it in. For best results, you can also top the pot with a thin layer of fresh soil. To prepare a liquid feeding solution, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder to 1 liter of hot water, no hotter than 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the solution to cool completely, then strain it well before use. Water your plants at the root, making sure the soil is already moist beforehand. This feed is especially loved by orchids, violets, pelargoniums, and geraniums. But almost any houseplant responds beautifully, with noticeably stronger, more vibrant growth. Apply this treatment once every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.